Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, find every mod location on your computer and on Steam. Mods live in C, /users /your name /zomboid /mods on Windows. Steam Workshop copies appear in Steam Library /steamapps /workshop /content /108600 by numeric ID. Also check server or portable install paths if you use them. Before you change anything, create a backup copy of your saves and of the entire mods folder. Backup to another drive or a zip archive to preserve mod and save integrity. Open the game and go to the mods menu to disable the mod first. Disabling prevents immediate game crashes and removes it from active load order. Next, open Steam and unsubscribe from the workshop item to stop re-downloads. Then quit Steam and delete the mod folder from C, /users /your name /zomboid /mods using File Explorer. If the mod installed extra files, check Steam Library /steamapps /workshop /content /108600 and delete that numeric folder too. Restart Steam and the game when finished. If the game still crashes, remove mod cache and shatter cache folders inside your Zomboid user directory. Those caches can retain stale references and cause errors. Use Steam to verify integrity of game files, which restores any overwritten stock files. Start the game with all mods disabled to confirm stability and reproduce the base game state. If stable, re-enable mods one at a time to find the problematic mod, and repeat the unsubscribe and delete steps for that mod only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.